Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe and check out my previous videos to see what content you're missing out if you don't subscribe. I'm a girl into the tech world. I love computers, phones and everything tech related, massage machines. I have prepared many surprises and many unique reviews for you. I will upload some vlogs also because this channel is colorful and beautiful, so I really would like you to subscribe to me right now. If you don't do it, I'll be very sad. Sad like who? Like Mr. Octopus. Subscribe, I'm happy. Don't subscribe, I'm sad. Let's proceed to today's video. Thankfully, I received a very big package this morning from a special Swedish retailer that I won't say its name right now, but in the following reviews I will. But for now it's a mystery. They sent me this very big box that weighs around 8.5 kg because I measured it. And let's see what is there inside. I'm very excited. Starting with these little friends. Wow! What is this? This is very cute. Is that a lion, a horse, and a frog, and a turtle, and a whale? This is my gummy zoo. Oh yeah. These are special rubbers that looks like animals. They're super cute. You can check out in Amazon or any other site. You can find them. I'm sure your kid will be happy. Let's check what more we have. Ooh. Packages of special Swedish candies. If you haven't been in Sweden or you will go to Sweden soon, you should try these. Sweden is one of the countries with very big candy species. A lot
types.
A lot of. Sweden is one of the countries with a lot of candy types. These one too are very famous. They're called super salt. Special Svensk tradition candies. You will be very surprised, especially with the taste of this one. They taste licorice. I really don't like licorice.
What do you mean they taste like this? It is licorice.
They are licorice. They taste licorice. They're licorice. I don't know. I don't like black candies personally, but I'm thankful. I will give them to somebody. This one I really like. They're fruity, sourish, very delicious. I think Swedish candies are everything. more stuff. Oh yeah, another type of Swedish candy. This is called polka twist. Special candy. I don't know, they call them hexfrö. Hex candy. I don't know, how is it? Don't kill me if you're Swedish and I speak bad Swedish. But this one are also very delicious. They have different types. Oh, some Swedish chocolate Marabou. It looks like they send me a lot of sweets. Where are the tech stuff? More candies. This is hexfrö candies. They're black, that means they're also with licorice inside, and that's not pleasant. Oh, this one is with strawberry. Ja, jordberry stonk, jorbustonk snack candies. You should really try this one. Do you want video tasting Swedish candies in front of camera? Okay. Double-sided tape. Yes, I need that so much for my cable management. This is number one priority if you want to have beautiful cables. And not only you can use it for multiple stuff, double-sided tape is always something special. Let's see what is left. Oh, I like what I see. Ta-da! Another RTX 3060. Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3060. If you don't remember my previous videos or you don't know them, I'll remind you, I received two 3060s, one is MSI Gaming X Trio and actually three, and one from Zotac Amp Hollow White Edition, and one more. Oh, yeah, Don't worry, there is no card inside. If it was, the table would be broken because this card was super heavy. It's in my PC because I'm testing it right now. RTX 3060 Gaming X3, it's a huge card and very good. I overclocked it nicely. I have a video about overclocking this card. You should check it out. So this one is the new baby here. I also had Gigabyte. How many 3060s I actually received? I don't even remember because I make special stats about them, each 3060, the performance on different games that I will show you in a couple of videos later, let's say. And this one is the very first one I received from Asus, the Tough Gaming. I'm expecting the Strix also. I'm trying to test all of the line 36 RTX 3060, starting with the one that are with 2 fans, 1 fans, 3 fans. And I can't wait to see what this if this beautiful card is capable of more. Till now, the MSI Gaming X3 is the #1 card because it's with very huge cooler, temperatures are great, and the clocks are over the top. But hey, we should check this out also. Let me unpack it fast in front of you. I think you got a little bit bored out of unboxings of graphics cards, but the next one is really special for me because I saw one more GPU inside this big box. Let's see which it is. Any suggestion? Excited? Very much. Subscribe. Oh, I love these balloons. GeForce RTX 3070 Supreme Max. You know, I'm a big fan of MSI. Love them. Love their laptops, love their GPUs. But this one is the top of the top. This one is basically the master of the GPUs from MSI line. Supreme X. It's huge. The box is very good quality. And it's heavy. It's almost 4.5 kg. Just this box. Imagine how heavy it is. Normally MSI are making very heavy cards. Gaming X3 was also super heavy, but this one here is new level of heavy. It's extra heavy. This is because the material is super premium, aluminum chassis. It's very beautiful. Even the fans are specially engraved. Let's open. Divine Beauty. Supreme is Divine Beauty, and they included a special super luxurious mouse mat into the set. I really love the high-end graphic cards. They always have some gift to surprise me. Are you excited, guys? RTX 3070 Supreme, MSI, and Asus Tough Gaming 3060. Tests are coming up. We'll see if they're better. Till now we have received only one 3070, and that was Zotac Holo 3070. It was with 2 fans. I think the Supreme will wash her away. No, I'm not in love. I don't know. I don't want to return these cards. I hope they will be forever with me. I love GPUs. And that was the mystery package from Sweden, which turned out to be more than great. Hi babe, we're gonna have some special time together. Don't get offended, sweetheart. I'll give you some attention also. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on all social media. And I hope that if you like this video, you will receive a GPU on MSRP. Fingers crossed for you. Like MSRP for you. Luck, luck.